444. As 041 AM. The world is caught in the last hours of a temporary peace, unaware of the element stirring beneath Yellowstone. It begins with an almost unnoticeable trembling, a rhythm that grows, ceasing to be ordinary. The ground's constant growl awakens old fears and sends wildlife scattering through the darkness, their migration an ancient instinct revived by unseen danger. In the depths of Yellowstone, the massive magma chamber, silent for hundreds of thousands of years, flexes against its restraints. The rupture is not a singular sharp break, but a continuous unraveling, a fracture that splinters the foundation of the earth itself. A crescendo is reached within minutes. The land swells, its surface no longer static but heaving, bulging. Cracks zigzag across meadows, forests, and lakes, unzipping the landscape like fresh wounds. Steam whistles through new vents. Then, eruption. A column of volcanic material, dense and furious, bursts upward, not in the graceful arc of glowing lava, but as a colossal tower of scorched ash, pulverized rock, and searing gas. Tens of kilometers into the atmosphere, the ash column invades the stratosphere, its shadow cast over the continent below. The first hour is a lesson in the speed of disaster. In Wyoming, darkness triumphs over dawn. Ash falls in ever-thickening layers, a soft, silent calamity that muffles sound and blankets the world. The air is heavy with sharp particles, a peril for every breath. Streets grow deserted, vehicles abandoned, headlights dim behind the swirling particulate fog. The world contracts, each person isolated in their shelter, listening to the surreal patter of volcanic ash against window panes. Airports close, their runways invisible beneath the gray drifts. Emergency broadcasts fill the few working radios before power begins to flicker and fail. Within a radius of hundreds of kilometers, existence reverts to the basics: filter breath, find potable water, and conserve energy. Outside this zone, uncertainty spreads. How far will this reach? How long will it last? By the first day's end, the Midwest inherits the disaster. Ash blizzards sweep across prairies and farms, choking out crops, killing livestock, and snarling supply chains. Rivers become turbid with sediment, municipal water supplies clog and fail. Solar panels gather not light, but darkness. The sky glows a sickly gray-orange, and the midday sun is no more than a dim circle, distant and useless. As days become weeks, the true scope emerges. Ash, carried by global winds, reaches other continents. Tens of billions of tons remain aloft in the stratosphere, veiling the world and reflecting sunlight. Climatologists name this moment volcanic winter. The temperature drops, summer heat dissipates, seasons lose their definitions. Crops fail in sequence, first in America, then beyond. Food prices multiply, international aid is stretched, and nations turn cautious, inward. Society, once interconnected and fast-moving, feels a chilling pressure. Migration increases both within and between countries. Communities are forced to adapt. Hydroponic crops in sealed facilities, rationing of old stores, innovation driven by desperation. The question is not of extinction, but of endurance. Can collective effort outlast the volcanic winter? The planet itself endures. Species adapt or perish as in every prior mass disruption. The supervolcano does not break Earth, but civilization is shown to be fragile.